Nyamiadum Paibo now so.
Nyamiadum.
Rich, I know pay the big game is coming on. I mean, Ebumukra when they say the gods of football, and fair a game where I say anchor grand finale, and also echo. Say already one who opt out supercomputer, no, the predictions are why and Rich and Okra baby sound say a day in the suddenly yes competition as no now opt out supercomputer no at the Spaniards no eto ahead of France. But suddenly, or the France Mumaba Beto ahead of the Spaniards. I mean, a clear attestation to how the French have been able to clearly dispossess of opponents, virtually just a walk in the park for them in this World Cup. So, by virtue of that, certainly you'd have to agree and accept the reason in Tia was a opta, yes, competition, Nasa, or the Spaniards, no. Eto Sruja France as is or the France mom abeto Sro Eja and Spaniards no it is understandable. Now Rich game ya ebasu a game wananka ensensem any game we ho te said there Argentina any England there bebaso nyame pay that na yenim history a ewo mu tension ewo mu emu nsem bebre nanka we ne ntesa but Rich personalities be a per se game no so echoes our trajectory or tangent. Odim, taking a bit of a political twist. Yeni unkomo kakana afe yemra game na mu so na memo start o game na afe me analyze game no into to farmer Rich. Mariano Rajoy, a former Spanish Prime Minister. Na papai ahead of the game. And a Rich wakwa kasa politician no. Onima so akadiafa Leblanc. I say France team no. Oshempa represent France as a nation. Omo akwa akosesa ahoho etuntumfo ne ahoho na omo asesa omo no omo de ababe team. Na say France akwa wia nationals and the ababe team. Now okan asem no. And a French Football Federation president inti Kagana hanka beka say ye keto krekum no. Philippe Diallo. Minim say ye de Mariano Rajoy picture ebeto Facebook na mashe papa no ni aside ya to YouTube na mashe ntia na madom ye na mo de ato so e de amae so okawie no ena papa ni de Philippe Diallo ono so French Football Federation president ono so reacted to it. In fact, even the French embassy it was Spain no almost reacted say such an unfortunate statement ena papa no ameki and o matutu bi e de amane no. And a French Football Federation president and so say until and once I didn't know say papa neka and sembi say no me feel say a racial undertone. Into Rich asem na ono so kind say Diallo so kind say look say and Mariano Rajoy eka France players no emu 23 ye wo more France ona emu me nsape and ye wo mo e outside. Enti no asem na all kan onim di all kan na omo hia birth certificate Enfro no Mariano Rajoy in ho. Ansana France players are recognized almost only French. Inti na asem no oka no. Eni nyina so onjaika. Rich o she game o eba so hi. Na o she sanse mi a eba de fan we a. Clearly who say papa no lawyer ne say o pese unnecessary pressure no to the French team no. Because Rich maybe sound say me ba cho Lamine Yamal e dey ni. Inaki Williams, the younger brother, Nico Williams, so free. Great chat, I say. And you can so co-spend in Munsubokrana. Who's an answer no canano. It doesn't hold water. Inti no abog, but Ninano, Emma game, a heightened tension, a wood game. Yasan Swanya, a cracky to a Lamine Yamal. So to no so small Cadetcher France team. At a point, cried the Obia when they say, Uber the skipper for the Spanish national team, Rodri. Rich on the skipper, memoir. But suddenly this boy, Chinchine, episode on the grantee interviews. On your opportunity be answer to be the amane France, aqua say France and the Nhyira dada. Yam form on yeshe. Now reach on him, the comment to make a comment be an kind so much of a certain South African. Another time, not South African, South Ghana so. Okay, Branty, be near friends here, bonging on Veti. Non Veti na near no Moka Kobo, I think it was can 2000. Near no Moka Kobo na rich. Prior to that, not South Africa and Sabeda so because no achia have semi finals now. Our boy Teresa Quentin Fortune Mutim no. And your Bible game no Kasa and the coach catches onye kum. And a gun at you bomb too. Rich Sana Abranti de Aquaquay. Nanen some now all canon so. I come here question on so baby or draw the inspiration if we say. On in France team no. I'm no Moji Heroes. This same France team no much almost semi-finals. Race all guys are game no. And you were brand any performance. And on no silly killing Mbappe rivalry so at the whole. I had the game no so. Mbappe versus Lamine Yamal and so the at the honum. I will be a Barca Real Madrid. Star Boys. Rich, the attorney said the Lamine Yamal is so confident in say. Obebo Mbappe di say can top scorers of this World Cup. Mbappe can be. Nemum nipa ba ku nso osia Mbappe a. O kire me masam de kire ne yie pa Abranti and the Lamine Yamal. Rich, the entire to say ye. 5 games in a row. Lamine Yamal ash Mbappe. Sure, osia Mbappe Euro semi-finals 2024. Or the Mbappe a chika form. Rich also see no Super Copa final, okay 2025 Super Copa final. And also sa Oshi Mbappe oho. And unkoda Copa del Rey finals also 2025 also. And also sa Barca de Madrid e kokogui. Lamine Yamal jina Mbappe jina mu or na chika form oho. Rich uye no so free one. Nations League semi-finals 2025 also no. And also Lamine Yamal side Mbappe e kokogui. Spain versus France or Nuko Gubium. Super Copa final 2026 and so Corona. Lamine Yamal, Barca, aside the Madrid Gubium. And today it's also 5 games in a row. Lamine Yamal 100% record against Kylian Mbappe Lotin. And today the guy is so confident and can we expect to say Accra already 18 years at the highest stage competition at almost bida. No any opportunity echo. Now Rich Abranti is so confident or can say. But that is where apparently the inspiration all draw from. Rich and also. There's this usual cliche in football. Said the best defense wins you titles, mebwa. And the best attack wins you games. Rich say all called by that cliche. Aya France team crowd the best attack in this competition. What said the most goals? Recording 16 in the process. Against the Spaniards, no team no. And so conceded the least number of goals. About 5 matches, no Onyam conceded even a goal. And San and the 6th game against Belgium, which finally all conceded a goal. So funny by that. It tells you say two teams no on Baba Bishiano. Obia will be special or thereby on board. And the game no is such an uncompromising game. And Richard Hano minim uwajene. So the cliche say the best defense wins you titles and the best attack wins you games no. And by virtue of Sadia no more can and Kashanka game when also winning. The best defense wins you titles and then the best attack wins you games.
Obviously Spain.
Bro, but him rich at the end of the day. Obviously Spain, yes. But rich at the end of the day. You winning games and sign you winning titles or maybe. Before betting a title, they just want winning games. And to say Spain and so on will be sound say, okay, then France and so attack no so they winning games because more now winning now, some more now all calling. Ghana could decide this or percent the defense air result, maybe. Or we then at all at a point of free move because Okosia team have not a pro so. Reasoning Spain at the end of all you know. Mishadi say yes, that extravagant Spaniards are normally in Omoba competition, Omoba so dominant, or bebo bono, or besoni at the bad, or be we no. Now reach Ube who are be on who say, on said then defend it properly, no. This Spaniards, no, Adeba Qua de la Fuente area was your commending so greatly, and say, what to me? A Kanyama Bomye was striking the right chemistry. And Tiaman for who almost say, yes, almost that exciting team are usually, yehu. So Emma South football now was a omobo. Yet almost more the expected results. And rather, almost defense is so resolute. But reasoning, at the amount for dream mass to any competition here, boy. Reason say Spain acquired the best defense, no. And yes, so more defending the keke. Almost to make it a ball ye. So more no more elbow ball, no. Almost ball no in a way to defend. Which means on me, Aja. Share only the entire makers are. The metrics are clearly there to really attest to that fact. Rich, so far Spain, I have 598 passes. Pachoti, why have 598 passes? They were completing no. Rich, so over this competition, I have, except one team, Argentina, and I have more passes, actually the Spaniards. Now, so over Spain, average possession per game, it gives you 66.0%. Rich, but also when your points so high. And the ball now, you can use on ball. They are possessing the game, but the strategy is that okay, see any team where you cry, near him says an attack no with this very season. Of course, he himself Yama if free ever where star boy or no back conjure magic from the flanks so bet me as to go be who expected now or they're winning games for us. Nico Williams and so periodically and Kobema Sadian. But see Nya Sadiano and free our personality see how they are. Now we has about an ability and attack. Now you feel say you can see a good toe to toe with our opponents. There, a bit of a problem. Hence, I'll see you see a different strategy. Say you're more born. Now more now you're born. You're born at the Saudian defense. Now my pressure I'm more so. Rich after 6 games for this competition, the Amas Spaniards need any incredible or see a command the after 6 games, on himself Spain so far. At just 7 shots on target and on my facing.
Okay.
After 6 games, so just 7 shots on target and on my facing. And I know and the fewest shot on target are so far competition or be a recording. So I can say all strike on the average at 1.17. So that is also another good record. Since 1966, Obi anywhere will crack that record. No? And I did my consul, I want to also a sanso, Ebon about so say, was I minimize sa expected goals per match now was an Kebanesuno. Reaching him so often expected goals per match or also Banesua 0.31 this World Cup 0.31 and no any expected goals per match at Ebebaneso. And to all say, oh, ye team I didn't say rich ubet me, I didn't even shot and I say goals so. Now rich, I did back cry a sanso and whom any. So first on the record now, only Uruguay and they have been 1990 World Cup and a Uruguay as had now. Then you say 0.31. Rich, beyond that, the average XG value of the shot. Net is a shot, ne can never bomb so. Shots it is a new draw to say a shot a bit me at Ohawaba. And as a bit me a torment goalkeeper. Rich himself and no so 0.05 per game. And also the lowest at this year's World Cup. So clearly, over all these metrics are a travel say and conform how one set it up no. But rich, the amount they are so interesting. You are France and so they are not from game. Rich him. France so far 16 goals in 6 games. So far France are almost any lead in terms of shot on target. France so far rich about 47. That is incredible. Shot on target in Kwang. France are 47 at the amount. Rich, the most yenya at a World Cup since 1998 at France, and has had 53 times. Rich winning. So over France currently on the average almost shot on target per game. On him say 7.8 per game. It's rich marginal shot on target. Yet shot on target no. A ball what ball air connect him. I what potential say anke bese. Pajoti. Na be a goalkeeper ebe save and now say defender be interception be and obi baby be blocks be and na be a air connect no mkra no. Rich na e be a bibi nsro. Enya internet no. And on the average, France per game no about almost 8 shots on target. Next is a potentially rich per game. And can France bet me as a bear 8 goals. But also at say rich. Say all per defense and next is obi bet me a remua. By some metrics here media today. It tells you say or say France team no. Attack no and on the team right side defense room. Now rich I dey back also say no. Over expected goals of any side in this World Cup, France and Ukraine, 14.3 expected goals, reach in total, and at least among 1.6 more than any team in this World Cup expected goals overall. This is another incredible record. Clearly, about 2 teams from set up. No, near the enemy wedding. Reaching him. the duo of Kylian Mbappé and Ousmane Dembele. Unim so omumienu creating 19 chances na dia momo. Mbappé and then Dembele. And sa attack na nso ne aka ho asem say very deadly ehun ye pa rich. Omumienu no, and yes for the whole team. Omumienu chances omo created dia momo ankasa mienu ho no. Aye 19. Mbappé aye 10 and Dembele enso aye 9. So over this metric also, they can show the telepathic understanding between Mbappé and Ousmane Dembele. Rich, their assist skills also there. There's Michel Olise. Rich Olise currently are not any lead in terms of assist. Why 5? Now the 5 now why no? Oba World Cup abakosemwa. Thomas Hassler and the year be 1994. Where he cross our record no. But all time play okra record no year pan. A World Pele in the crack record since 1966. I'll make it 6 assists. Next is so listen at me as I see another assister. What potential will bet me? Or back Sazonu. Rich Unumade. A queen of France bet me a faso assist Spain back any. But me patcho Adama yam for results be and tuja. Rich far from the round of 16 wrong. Fabra semi-finals. Na me pamocho amon sa results no yen show YouTube ni Facebook yen fan share ahwefo ni etiefo ade rich onim say offer France na results and route to the semi-finals na offer the Spain has struggled in the last 3 matches wabo eba bedru say upon say onya wins no was struggling and san otimi win defense 1 but what you say
okay
but France no were so confident virtually a walk in the park for them. And the big boys they struggle, England, Argentina struggle to get wins, you know. France easily, I walk in the park for them, almost your opponent, almost said your mope.
Alright.
Rich, having said all this, yes, and you may know, Amadia Baku will show the might of the French attack, Le Blé. And no, and suddenly, about the Spaniards in the defense now, you say a watertight defense. Rich ebeba na wie. Of course minim say Spain wa die bia say France anya careful na game no echo into extra time and now yes idea no so hwe ni. That super sap in Mikel Merino. Yes, on the betimi asa game no, but the quality of France e wa up front. Rich, trust you me, this game me expect a win for France. France ebe advancing to the grand finale of the ongoing World Cup.
Jude Owusu Bafo and Amatin kan insurance 4.5. Makasi say baby mienu is streaming on Facebook. Insurance 4.5 FM and your Facebook